Hi guys, I hope all are doing good. So in this YouTube channel, we will be basically focusing on GATE and programming language. Before diving into the GATE, we need to first know the syllabus and its content, and then we will be starting with one topic in detail. And speaking about the programming language, we will be doing simultaneously along with this GATE syllabus. So initially, let us know the pattern. That is, we have 65 questions for 100 marks for a duration of 3 hours. So in this segment, we will be having two sets. The first set is the general aptitude and the other set is the normal subjects. So first let's discuss about the engineering mathematics. So in this we have 4 segments, that is the linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics, discrete mathematics. So in linear algebra, we have topics like matrix algebra, system of linear equations, eigens and etc. For calculus, we have mean value theorems and then we have derivatives, maxima, minima, multiple integrals and etc. For probability and statistics, we have sampling theorems, conditional probabilities, mean, median, mode and all such things. For discrete mathematics, we have set theory and etc. So, to see about the linear algebra, calculus and probability and statistics, we have 7 to 9 questions. And for discrete mathematics, we will be having 5 to 6 questions. So, inside these expected questions itself, we will be getting. And basically, these questions are being estimated based on the previous year papers. So, overall, we'll be getting 13 marks from this. Now, next coming to the general aptitude, we have 4 segments. One is the verbal aptitude, quantitative aptitude, analytical aptitude, and spatial aptitude. So, it has a standard format, that is the 10 questions, which is for 15 marks. Then is our normal subjects, in which first we'll be looking at the digital logic. We have Boolean algebra, computer arithmetic, which has approximate to 5 to 7 questions. Then comes with the computer organization and architecture, which has 8 to 12 questions. Then is the programming and data structure, which is of 7 to 12 questions. In this programming and data structures, we will be having the basics of like the strings or the hash functions, stacks, queue, trees, and etc. Algorithms, which we also are known by DA, in which we have dynamatics, greedy, and all such topics, we'll be having 8 questions from this. Then comes the theory of computation, in which we have the finite automata, context-free language, and the turning machines, which is for 6 to 7 questions. Then with the compiler design, we have 6 to 8 or 6 to 10. So maximum of 5 may come. Operating system is also the same with 8 questions and 5 to 6 may appear. Then comes with the database topic, in which we have ER diagrams, organization, indexing and etc. In this standard 10 questions we'll be having. So in the last year paper also, if you see, we have 10 questions from this particular topic. Then comes with the computer networks, in which we have concepts of layering like the data link layer, transport layer and etc. About that in deep we'll be learning, in which 6 to 8 questions may be asked. So these are the subjects that we have for CSE concept. Now coming to how the paper will be or will appear, we have 3 sets, that is the MCQ, MSQ and NAT. MCQ is the normal multiple choice questions that we always write. MSQ is the multiple select questions, in which you'll be having an option to select multiple answers. And NAT is a numerical answer type, where you'll be solving and writing the answer in terms of numericals. So thinking about this, in this we will be having negative markings only for MCQ questions. So in that MCQ questions, we'll be having 1 mark question or 2 mark question. So if it is for 1 mark question, then 1 by 3rd mark will be detected. And if it's for 2 mark question, 2 by 3rd mark will be detected. And in this complete GATE paper, we have negative markings only for the MCQ questions. We don't have it for the multiple select question as well as numerical answer type. So no need to worry about these two, but in multiple that is choice questions, we have negative marking. And this complete paper will be consisting of either 1 or 2 mark question itself. You will not be having more than that. So now guys, if we need to get good marks, then of course we need to score 70 plus marks. And to score that, if you basically majorly or else you focus on the general aptitude, we'll be having 15 marks from this. And for the engineering mathematics, we'll be having 13 marks. So in this both you can score a very good marks. And based on the weightage of questions from the other subjects, we can see and we can there also score. As I've already mentioned, database subject has a little more weightage. So that also, if you prepare very well, you can actually attempt and write those questions and can get a very good score. So guys, I hope this, whatever the basic syllabus that I have given you, has given you a picture clear clarity about how the paper will be and what topics we have, particularly for the CSE subject. And starting with what, the subject we'll be starting, then I'll be covering first the compiler design, and then with the theory of computation, computer organization and architecture, programming of and data structures, and everything I'll be covering in this YouTube channel. Also, we'll be going with C++, C Basics and Java. At the same time, before starting those programming languages, we will start with the computer basics and then jump into those. So even people who haven't already studied these programming languages can watch these videos, what we have been uploading, and you can understand the concepts very easily, because as I've told that we'll be starting with the basics. Also, I assure you that in this YouTube channel, you will completely find the concepts of a particular subject, where I don't think in most of the YouTube channels you may find. And with this, I would like you people to support our YouTube channel by subscribing, liking and sharing it with your friends. Thank you so much. If you find this video useful, please even comment your thoughtfuls and we would be happy to hear it. Thank you.